It's just crazy how much taller your bike is compared to this. Chad, I'm not stinting that bad on it.
Yeah.
On yours, I'll be like this.
Oh, yeah.
Man. Oh, what a beautiful night. Oh, shit. That's legit. Look at that plane take off. Woo! Well, so a couple weeks ago, when the flood happened over winter with all the water and blah, 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 this was all washed out. All washed out. I want to go over there. Turkey, 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 turkey. Say that really fast. Turkey, really fast. Turkey, 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 turkey. It's up to you, go. Oh, that's sand. Here, a train.
Yep, that's on the 29 side that runs through Crescent and goes all the way up to Mo Valley.
It was kind of fun going through that sand. I was like,
yeah. A little bit of drifting.
Yeah, a little bit. Ah, we're exploring. This is all flooded water from the flood of 2019. There's not supposed to be water right there at all. That is insane, insane, insane. That water is supposed to be back like 100 foot that way. There's someone's house back there. Technically, where we're driving on, the water was at. See all the sand and everything.
Wow, is all I have to fucking say. That's fucking crazy.
That's crazy that that there's still water on that road.